guys, welcome to Longwang. This is Serein and this is Ms.Du.
Hi.
Our quality manager, and in this video we are talking about how to use the ring gauge and the thread range, and hope you can learn something from this video. Keep watching. Before we get started, let's learn some basics about thread standards. There are lots of different standards for thread, like NPT, UNF, UNC, and so on. In addition, there are coarse teeth and fine teeth. The fine thread has good self-locking performance and strong anti-vibration and anti-loosening ability. So when adjusting, the fine thread has more advantages. Coarse thread is characterized by high strength and good interchangeability, and there are standards to compare. Generally speaking, coarse thread usually should be the best choice. Based on the application, also have different types like pipe thread and taper thread. Okay, which this information can help you know more about the thread. Let's start the operation. When selecting the thread gauge and the ring gauge, the specification matching the measured thread should be selected. Before use, clean the oil and impurities on the surface of the thread gauge, and the thread should be measured. When in use the thread gauge to detect the internal teeth of the product. Both sides are the go side and the not go side. Use the go side test screw. If you can screw in, then use the not go side screw. If the not go side cannot screw in or only screw in one or two teeth, that is qualified. By the way, we need to note that the NPT's go and not go sides are on one side. It generally has 3 steps, which can be traced to the first step of the tooth gauge, and the product is equal to the lower limit. The second step is the best effect. The third step is the upper limit, but all 3 effects are okay. If your gauge can go like this, that means part is okay. Then we will use the ring gauge to test the outer teeth of the product. The ring gauge is divided into 2 kinds: go gauge, code T, and not go gauge, code C. During the inspection, if the go gauge can screw through the external thread of the workpiece, and the not go gauge cannot screw through the external thread of the workpiece, the size of the external thread can be judged as qualified. Otherwise, the size of the external thread can be judged as unqualified. After use, clean the surface attachments of the go side and not go side of the thread gauge in time, and place them in the measuring toolbox. Here is Serein and Ms.Du. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.